What's the meaning of contraband? Contraband. Contraband.
Contraband. Contraband. Contraband refers to goods or items that are prohibited by law from being imported, exported, bought, sold, or possessed. These items may include illegal drugs, weapons, counterfeit goods, and other illegal materials. Possession or trafficking of contraband can lead to severe legal consequences, such as fines, imprisonment, or even death in some countries. Law enforcement agencies and customs officials work to seize and confiscate contraband to maintain public safety and uphold the law. The possession or trade of contraband is illegal and can result in harsh penalties.